Hey mga palangga! This video is to answer the inquiries that I've been receiving about on how and where to apply here in Saudi Arabia for work, either for teachers and other professional or skilled workers, which I'm going to share later on. But first and foremost, I'd like to give some pieces of advice about working abroad. Kasi pag nag-abroad tayo, hindi lang tayo mag-work outside our country. But of course, mapapalayo tayo sa pamilya natin at hindi na natin magagawa yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin sa Pinas, especially if you're here in Saudi Arabia. Everything's different. Culture, food, language, people na makahalubilo mo, lugar, at yung mga bagay na pwede mong gawin. Especially this is an Islamic country. So, and one more thing is, dapat buo yung loob mo. Kasi, I believe na kapag buo yung loob mo, is instead na ma-anxious ka, well, there's an anxiety, there will be sadness, loneliness that you may feel. Pero, apart from that, kung buo talaga yung loob mo, may excite ka at first. May excite ka, magiging masaya ka, hindi ka magiging malungkot. Dahil sa pag-communicate ng pamilya naman, is meron naman tayong social media. So dapat maging buo yung loob mo, buo yung decision mo, sigurado ka sa lahat. You are ready financially, physically, mentally, and emotionally, even spiritually. So dapat ganun. Kasi again, hindi lang basta-basta pag pumunta ka dito sa abroad, hindi lang ka magtatrabaho sa labas ng bansa, pero mapapalayo ka sa mga pamilya mo. Kaya yun lang. Yun lang yung mga importante bagay. The rest of the requirements, if you're going to ask me, everything will just follow. So first, have some critical thinking. Pag-isipan ng mabuti. Okay? Kung ako na naman tatanungin mo, ngayon, well, namimiss ko na yung pamilya ko, of course. Sa ngayon, namimiss ko sila. Homesick ako. But nung pagpunta ko dito at first, I was really excited because this is one of my goals in life. Makapagtrabaho abroad. And to enhance not just only my learning, not just only to share the knowledge na nakuha ko sa teaching, but also to gain the experience working abroad and also the feelings of, ano bang feelings ng mga nag-abroad talaga? Okay, which ay may idea naman ako, pero iba din kasi yung experience ko kasi nga goal ko to, naging buong loob ko. And then if you're working here in Saudi Arabia, plan mo dito sa Saudi Arabia, you don't have to worry about the place, to be honest. The country itself, what I'm talking is the country. But make some research. Mag-research talaga kayo. Alamin nyo ang trabaho pinapasukan nyo, napapasukan nyo, ang kumpanya. Maging maalam tayo sa pagsisiyasat or pagsiyasat ng ating pagtatrabahuan para naman, iwas issue, iwas gulo, and everything everywhere all at once. Ganun lang po. Yun lang po yung mga some pieces of advice that I could share to you in working abroad. So ito na nga kung saan kayo mag-apply. First, mag-create kayo ng account dito sa workabroad.ph. Lagi nyo palang create an account. Use your Gmail or Google. And then, fill out personal, you can upload your resume, everything. Fill out nyo lang po at sa una, maglagay ng pictures. Then, sa my research options, you can search there the jobs that you wanted to apply to. Okay? And check nyo yung mga agencies na there kasi they should be POAA or DMW license. They should have a license number. At pwede din po kayong mag-check sa DMW website. Okay? From Iloilo. Medyo kukunti lang kasi yung mga agency dun sa Iloilo, pero mas marami sa Manila. Pero the good thing there is, if you have everything, documents, pwede na rin maparas lahat sa Iloilo. Punta ka lang sa Manila for visa, biometrics, or whatnot, kung anong process dyan. Pero kasi yung sa akin, na-process ko lahat-lahat dun na sa Iloilo. Documents, medical, my TOR, my certification of my experiences. Okay, yun lang po. Maraming salamat. And again, sa mga naghahangad na mag-work abroad, maging matibay sa loob, maging mapagmatsyag, at magsiyasat ng mabuti. Yun lang po. Thank you so much. Love, love.